I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Control Center and tapping the music recognition icon so the phone can hear the track. Do it now. Once tapped, the iPhone listens for several seconds. This quick sampling captures melody and vocal cues. Make sure ambient noise is low and the speaker is reasonably close because the microphone needs a clear signal. If you prefer voice commands, say, "Hey Siri, what song is this?" instead, and let the iPhone analyze the audio until it shows a match. Once the phone finds a match, tap the notification or the music recognition icon to view details. This confirms title, artist, and often album art. You can preview the track directly, and there's usually a link to open the song in Apple Music or your preferred streaming app. Tap that to listen fully or buy. Make sure to check the timestamp and small text if multiple versions exist. Sometimes live or remix labels appear, so confirm you've got the correct version before saving or sharing. After confirming the song, save it to your library or add it to a playlist so you can find it later. Sharing is one tap. Send the link via message or social apps. If the match is wrong or no result appears, make sure microphone access is allowed and your internet connection is active because offline ID is limited. Also check for iOS updates and retry closer to the speaker. If problems persist, reboot the phone. This simple step often restores recognition services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.